What you do, bro?
Ready for that next car show.
What you do, nigga?
Color's coming soon, man.
What you been at, man?
Man, duck dog.
Stick ass box, dog. What the fuck? Look. Damn, as soon as I walk up, this nigga pop a goddamn tire. It went under that shit, went right through. Damn, what the fuck?
I got a G. Anybody going to the corner right now? I got a G right now.
Oh, look.
First place you ain't gonna be good.
He ain't gonna even be able to run it over. Oh, he ain't.
How you do that?
Tires just busting open, bro. It's fine. This motherfucker fast, bro.
Damn. That motherfucker. What the fuck?
I got a G. Anybody want to make that win? Win with me? They gonna win. You get him in long run, but that short game, he ain't gonna win.
I'm telling you, any car runs up, I'm on the ass in a block radius on God. Any motherfucking real car in a block radius, I tear their ass up.
Ah, you hear him, right?
Yeah.
Any car, you tear that ass up in the block with a motherfucking remote control car.
You ain't gonna be able to boost it over there.
I'm thinking on G Tesla, I run everything out here. All that shit you got geeked up, you ain't got a chance fucking with that Tesla. All my kids, you know.
And you know that Tesla can't even crash.
Hey, he know you
You got a cigarette?
Bro.
Let me find a
He
cigarette.
crazy. Look at him up when you
locked
talk
the
about
door.
the tire. Focus in the motherfucker.
Like
That's
a real
why he
motherfucking
burnt the
car,
tire.
right?
Look, he done burnt the hole in the tire. Look,
Hey, how much is that tire, Mike?
about $50.
Yeah.
What?
50, $60 for these tires. The front like 45 and the back like 65.
Oh, this is a real grown man's toy right here.
It is. I ain't even know that tire was like that. I wouldn't even know fucking.
Did you, hey, this stock or you did some shit?
What?
The car.
No, the car. I know. I did. You know, I upgrade all that, bro. This thing, look. It comes. It got 8-inch batteries in it. This motherfucker like 30 volts in this motherfucker.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
2 fans on that motherfucker, cooler mode and all that shit.
Oh, man, that's a real motherfucker.
That bitch got springs and shocks, sway bars, and
Damn.
in and out of tie rod ends, all that
My nigga put the Viking coilovers on his bitch. He got the QA1s on his house.
He got spiky coilovers.
Hell no.
Yeah, that motherfucker got
Hey, this nigga a fool with the wire.
some cook.
It's the same nigga who wired all that shit up in the Chevy too, y'all. So we know goddamn well he can make some shit from scratch. Y'all see how them fuses and shit look in the motherfucking Chevy. Young what, bro? You see how the motherfucking fuses and shit look in the Chevy? Up under the hood, I got a fire extinguisher. Everybody be like, what the